Now we're going pound, and then we'll open up and then into that pound dribble again. So it's here, pound, then up into our shot, quick. All right? Good. It's all just off reads here. Remember, the first one, they're here. Second one, now they step back, now you can go into it. But even if they're not here, they're gonna rise up, you're gonna rise back here, they're gonna step up, and you can go right by them. Say it again?
Like, let's say I get the ball here, and I'm here, and I'm just one, like, how do I just get by it?
Get by them. We'll go after. We'll do that after it. We'll go over some moves there. It'll be quick. Good. For each hand. Good. Step forward though, because you're opening up into it already. I want you to open up. Actually, here. Yeah, see how I'm doing that after? You're opening up straight into it already. It's got to be here, then step into it. Look like you're gonna take one dribble into him. Good. 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 There we go. Nice. Great pickup. Great shot. Yeah, other side. Go right hand. Good. 1. 2. 3. 4. Good. Good. Last one here.